Claiming your Google business profile is the first step to managing your business's online presence on Google. Start by searching for your business on Google Maps or the GBP website. If unclaimed, select Claim this business and create a GBP account. Link it to a Google account associated with your business. For businesses with multiple locations, use the bulk claim tool. Proving ownership involves submitting documentation like business registration, tax IDs, or utility bills. By claiming, you establish that you are authorized to manage the profile. Verification confirms the authenticity of your claimed Google business profile, ensuring that the information provided is legitimate and trustworthy. Unverified profiles lack full functionality, preventing you from responding to customer reviews or posting business updates. This limits your ability to engage with customers effectively. Google offers several verification methods to confirm your ownership. These include postcard verification, where you receive a physical mail with a PIN code. Phone or email verification provides instant codes sent directly to your registered contact information. For Google Ads users or those with verified domains, instant verification uses API integration for immediate confirmation. AI-enhanced features and data-driven verification streamline the process, significantly reducing the risk of fraud by automatically detecting inconsistencies. To avoid suspensions, maintain accuracy in your profile details by ensuring all information reflects real, current business data. Once verified, optimize your profile with complete details such as business hours, photos, and services to improve visibility and enhance customer engagement.